भद्रं कर्णेभिः शृणुयामदेवाः भद्रं पश्येमाक्षभिर्यजत्राः स्थिरैरङ्गैः स्पुष्टुवागुंसस्तनूभिः यशेमदेवहितं यदायुः स्वस्ति न इन्द्रो वृद्धश्रवाः स्वस्ति नः पूषा विश्ववेदाः स्वस्ति नस्तार्क्ष्यो अरिष्टनेमिः स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पतिर्दधातु ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। मंत्र नंबर 17 जाग्रत् स्वप्न सुषुप्त्यादि प्रपंचम यत् प्रकाशते तद् ब्रह्माहमिति ज्ञात्वा सर्वबन्धैः प्रमुच्यते। Lord Brahmaji established that Jivatma eva Paramatma in the 16th mantra. Tat Tvameva. That Paramatma, Tvam means you alone. 16th mantra, last line. Second line, second quarter. Tat Tvameva. Tat means Paramatma. Tvam means you, the Jivatma. Hey Ashwalayana, that Paramatma who is eternal, Shuddha Chaitanyam, Sat Chit principle, existent consciousness principle, that is none other than you, the Chaitanyam. You, the Chaitanya means what? Whenever teacher says Tatu Tvam Asi, Chandogya Mahavakya, this is Tatvameva, Tvameva Tat. This Chandogya Mahavakya he is presenting in this manner. What it means? RC, RM you have to intellectually keep aside. RC, RM you keep it intellectually aside. How? RC means reflected consciousness, Pratibimba Chaitanyam. RM is Upadhi, Shariram, Sthula Shariram. This Sthula Shariram is made up of 5 elements, is not real. And that mind is also made up of subtle matter, it is also not real. So you have to sacrifice, renounce the Tyaga. What? Bhaga, RM, RC, OC. 3 factors. No? 2 factors you have to renounce. Bhagam, 2 bhagatti Tyagam pannanum. This is the Bhagatyaga Lakshana ani solluvom. Bhagatyaga Lakshana dwara you arrive at what? OC. Whenever Guru says you are that Paramatma, means immediately that Paramatma I am annapo, and I am lo which I am you have to refer intellectually. If you refer to RM, RC, you are arrogant. You are an arrogant person. Why? You are not supposed to refer that Paramatma to this body, finite body, which is having birth, death, and which is having the vyadhi, all sorts of limitations. How can this body can become that Paramatma? So mind can become Paramatma. Mind adumele kolapam. it has got lot of defects. Rajoguna, Tamoguna, in 14th chapter we are seeing Sattva-guna, all three gunas put together mind. How that mind can become Paramatma? Therefore, since Paramatma is infinite, all-pervading, omniscient, Sarvagnaha, Sarvavyapi, so this RM, RC cannot become OC, cannot be the Paramatma, cannot be the Paramatma. Therefore, once you negate this RM and RC, who remain here? OC remain in me. So RM, RC I am keeping aside. You need not destroy. Body you need not destroy. Just as the pot you need not destroy to know this is clay. Pot is made up of clay. To know this is clay, is it necessary to destroy the pot? No necessity. Similarly, I need not destroy my body, mind. I need not stop my mind in meditation. In spite of using meditation, not in spite of. Really, by using mind only, I can claim Aham OC Paramatma. That OC is what? Brahman. Original consciousness Brahman. Aham Asmi. Tattvameva Tvameva Tat. You are that you are. Having said this, where it is available, phalam he is giving. Whoever knows this, whoever study Kaivalyopanishad regularly, sincerely, those students writing notes and all, listening carefully, those students, what is the benefit they get now? Sarva bandhai pramuchyate, 17th mantrala, second line, last two words. Sarva bandhai pramuchyate. He will be free from all bandhas. He will be free from all bandhas. Sanchita karma, agami karma, all these sins, papams, everything he will be free from. What is that Atma? Pramuchyate means he is free from. Aham tad brahma iti jnatva. Aham, I am. Which I am? Again, every time I will ask you. No, Swami, theriyarde, chollinde irkom illiyo. Again, we are telling OC. Why you are asking again? I am selfish in this, okay? I want to listen from you all the time. Here, I am if you take RMO, RCO, it's a big problem to the teacher. So therefore I ask, Aham Brahma iti jnatva. Knowing that Brahman I am. Knowing that Brahman I am. Aham, nan, I, Brahma iti. Nan Brahmanda. Who is that Brahman? Paramatma. Paramatma, Brahman, Aham iti jnatva, having known. Again he gives the description about that Brahman. Jagrat swapna sushuptyadi prapancham yat prakashate. Aham Brahma, OC, because of whom? What is my lakshanam? OC's lakshanam. Original consciousness I am. What is my nature? I am the witnesser of waking state, Jagrat. Swapna, the dream. I am the witnesser of sleep, Sushupti. Three than irukku innu adi padatha podittaru, etc. Waking state, dream state and deep sleep state. Other than this, what we are having some ESP, extra sensory perception. Adi pottukalam. Adi padatha. Antarala avastha, we can say. ESP means projection. In between stage anamata. In between to Jagrat and dream. So sometimes you go in between. It is not waking state, it is not totally dream. It is not sleep also. But in between stage, called ESP, extra sensory perception. Some people know the premonitions, what is going to happen in future. All these they come to know. What is going to happen there somewhere? I got really Swami, it came in my mind, really it happened. Na. So what? Na? So what? Therefore, you cannot take that person as a divine person. Okay, there are called certain types of extrasensory perceptions. They call it as siddhis. Some ordinary siddhis they are. Shastra never bother about those siddhis. There are some extraordinary mystic experiences. It happens. So it is not Atma Jnanam. Unfortunately, people take that ESP, extrasensory perception. Vaakku solluradhu. Somebody asked, one student is telling, come to see my Swamini. She said, she is my student from long time. Edavadhu vaakku solluvaala avanga teacher, Swamini enu kekran. She can say something to me. What is going to happen to her? I have to say. Without revealing her all her problems, I have to know the problem and say. Then I am great, Swamini. Because now only solla Swamini. But he understood. Some students will come to me. I didn't tell anything, but exactly he studied my everything past. So what? He is a great Mahatma. Like there are so many people, there is no connection to Atma Jnanam and these type of knowing their future, past, everything. There is no connection. Atma Jnanam is nothing to do with this. Please understand. By studying astrology, by studying some Shastram and all, the capacity they will get. But there is no connection between Atma Jnanam and this. Atma Jnanam is different. We have to understand this. A Jnani need not have that capacity. He need not know Kuja Graham engirka, Rahu Graham engirka, idhe indha planet la irukku. Avarku theriyum vendiya avashyame kedaiyadhu. Because we are having a lot of wrong misconceptions towards the Jnani. Jnani means avanukku ennoda past la therinjirukano, future therinjirukano. Adi namma nenikrom. Idu thappana oru ennam. Therefore, aham brahma iti gnatva na jagradavasthayam yat prakashate. Jagradavastha yat prakashate. Because of me, the consciousness, jagradavastha is evident. Now, who is evident of your jagradavastha? Who is evident? Your wife or husband or children? You yourself. You are aware of. That means what? Prakashate. Prakashate means what? Evident, effulgent. Which is, I am knowing that Jagradavastha. Waking state I am knowing now. Because of whom it is available. Chaitanyam. I am conscious of waking state. I am conscious of waking state. Conscious of means what? I am aware of waking state. So that awarer is who? Consciousness. So I am consciousness, aware of this waking state. Yat prakashate. Yat prakashate. Because of me only this Jagrata Prapancha prakashate. If I close my eyes, na prakashate. If I don't think, na prakashate. If I go to deep sleep, na prakashate. I means what? This body-mind complex functions, I, the Sakshi Chaitanyam, available. If the body-mind is not there, I will be in unmanifest form. In deep sleep state, I am there, but I do not know, because this body is not in waking world. Therefore, what I understand? Swapnam. Who is the witnesser of Swapnam? I am consciousness. The consciousness is the principle because of whom the Swapna Prapancha is available. Who creates the dream? I myself. Who enjoys the dream? I myself. Who suffer in the dream? I myself. I, the creator of the dream, become the creature in the dream. Creature I, enna? Scream. I, the creator of the dream. Why I scream in the dream? Tell me. Why I scream in the dream? Because I have forgotten myself. I am the waker. I am the projector of the dream. I have lost that sight. Therefore, because of that ignorance, it happens, I scream in the dream. Scream, dream, nalla irukku Cream illa, screaming. Why? Just I lost my wakerhood. I have forgotten myself. I have the projector of the dream. The dreamer is me, the waker annadu theriyamale aludundirike dream la. Adhe madri in the Jagrata avasthayamapi, the consciousness alone is the Srishti Sthiti Laya Karta Theriyamale. I am taking myself as RM, RC and suffering. Not only that, Jagrat Swapna, Sushupti also. Sushupti means what? Sleep state. Deep sleep state. In the deep sleep state also, Prapancham yat prakashate. This Jagrata avastha yat prapancham prakashate, you have to supply everywhere. Because of whom this Jagrat prapancha is available, evident. Because of whom this Swapna prapancha is evident. Because of whom this deep sleep state is available, evident. Who knows the deep sleep state? I myself. In deep sleep you do not know. After waking up, you say, I slept well. Aham sukham asvapsam nakinchid avedisham. எனக்கு ஒன்னும் தெரியல சுவாமி, நல்லா தூங்கிட்டேன். அது எப்படி தெரியும்னா, யத் பிரகாசத்தே, எனக்கு எவிடென்ட் தான். I know it. I am conscious of my deep sleep, but I cannot utter that word in sleep. I recognize it. That's why it is called recognition. When? In Jagrata avastha. Yat prakashate iti jnatva. That consciousness is in you, in me, and everyone of us experiencing that consciousness as it is same. But RM, RCs are different. ஆளுக்கு ஒரு RM, ஆளுக்கு ஒரு RC. பட் ஆளுக்கு ஒரு ஓசின்னு சொல்லலாமா? சொல்ல முடியாது. You cannot say. So therefore, see the mantra, Mahavakya mantra. It's a unique mantra. Jagrat, Swapna, Sushuptyadi, Adipadat, I told you, ESP, extrasensory perception, also witnessed by whom? Consciousness. The consciousness is the witnesser of extrasensory perception. Adiki pohanu. Nee ed pudichundirke extrasensory perception you are holding on. It is holding on to another Jagrata avastha, Swapna avastha, Sushupti avastha. Why you are holding to this? Nantah pragnam, na bahish pragnam, no bhayata pragnam, na pragnam, na pragnam, na prajnana ghanam, shantam shivam advaitam chaturtham manyante satma savigneyaha. Turiya atma ahamasmi. Mandukya. Enna Swami tittrare enna? I am not scolding you. See, na antah pragnam. I am neither the waker. I am not the dreamer. I am not the sleeper. Na antah pragnam, na bahish pragnam, na ubhayatah pragnam. Na the witnesser of the ESP. Na prajnana ghanam. That ajnana, ignorance, who is the knower? I am not that also. So now I am not the sleeper. Then who am I? I am the witnesser of all these three avasthas. That's Cholapurar. Brahmaji. Up to here we saw in the last class, but these details I have not given. That's why I have elaborated. Therefore, Nikrishta Upadhi, Nikrishta Gunaha. Nikrishta Upadhi enna? This body, Nikrishtama, Utkrishtama. Malabhandam is having birth and death. It is inferior only. Evada snow pottalanu kuda. However much you dress up, 1,000 rupees saree Swamini, I am wearing. My skin complexion is very nice. Or my blood is very pure. So what? It is Nikrishta one, inferior only. Nikrishta means we are not criticizing it. It has got its limitation. Then Nikrishta Gunaha, Cholave Venda. Gunaha are also Rajo Guna, Tamo Guna, Sattva Guna are all fluctuating. Gunas are also. This is at the individual level. Vesti level. What about Samashti level? Paramatma, Bhagavan, Ishvara. Ivar vandu Vishwa, Taijasa, Prajna. Avar vandu Virat, Hiranyagarbha, Ishvara. Avarku enna upadhi? Utkristama, Nitkrishtama? Utkrishta upadhi. Utkrishta upadhi, Utkrishta gunaha. Superior qualities, superior body. Bhagavan ki superior gunas. That's why he is Sarvagnaha, we are Alpagnaha. Our omniscient, non alpiscient. Our omnipotent, non alpipotent. So, body wise there is a difference. Body wise there is a difference. Guna wise there is difference. That's why he is called Paramatma. I am called Jivatma. But these gunas and medium upadhi, if you take out temporary, what is the truth equal in Paramatma and me and Atma? Adida Jnanam. Adida Jnanam. Whenever we are listening, we have to listen from that standpoint, not this body-mind standpoint. I am using this body-mind instrument. Adi marakka kodadu. Marandittanna avladha. Chemistry listening ki, physics listening ki, Shastra listening ki difference e kadiyadu. There you are listening as a RM, RC, okay, doesn't matter. But when you are listening to Shastra, you have to listen from what standpoint? I am the OC using the RM, RC. Next mantra. Such Jnanam alone removes that bandhas. All, he will be liberated. Pramuchyate means liberated. So, Nikrishta, put Chaitanyam irka. Nikrishta Guna Vishishta Chaitanyam in the body la. Utkrishta Vishishta Chaitanyam in the Paramatma la. So, in the Utkrishta and the Nikrishta, Chaitanya Vanuda. Chaitanyam is same. But there is no difference. Next shloka. 18th mantra. Trishu dhamasu yad bhogyam bhokta bhogascha yad bhavet तेभ्यो विलक्षणः साक्षी चिन्मात्रोऽहं सदा शिवः. The Nirvana Shatkam you can remember. Chidananda Rupa Shivoham Shivoham. Shankaracharya wrote, keeping all these mantras in his mind. That's Chidananda Aham Asmi. See here. Chinmatraha Aham Sada Shivaha. Aham. So what is my nature? Trishu Dhamasu Yat Bhogyam. Trishu Dhamasu means, Trishu means in the three states. Trishu Dhamasu. Avasthasu ityarthaha. Just now we saw what are the three avasthas. If you don't know, avastha is my avastha. What are the three avasthas? Jagrat Swapna. Jagrat Swapna Sushupti Sputatara Yasam Vijujhumbate. Inge Dakshinamurti Stotram. So, Trishu Dhamasu. In those three states, in all the three states, whatever I experience, Tebhyaha Aham Vilakshanaha. I am different, distinct from them. I am different from them. Yat bhokta bhavet, yat bhogyam cha bhogaha. Whatever I experience in my Jagrada Avastha, as a Karta, I the subject, waker, experiencing the objects. What objects? Waking state objects. Now you are experiencing what objects? Waking state. Why? because you are in waking state. So, Aidi Pramata, Vakar Pramata, know the waking state Prameyam. This is Prameyam. I am Pramata. I am the knower of this part. In which avastha is this? Jagrata avastha. Suppose I see the part in the dream. Swapna avastha. Swapna avastha also I am Pramata only. I am the knower of part. Part become Prameyam. Object. Known object. So I the knower, the known object. Pramata, knower is called Pramata. Seer of this part is called I am the seer. What is seen by me? Part. So part comes under seen object. The part is seen by me. Then when it is object, who am I? Subject. The subject experience the object. Jagrata avasthayam. So whatever the bhokta, enjoyer, no, I am enjoying and seeing the part, nice part. So that bhokta, bhogya vastu, bhogaha means the knowledge, the experience in between every object. Suppose you are eating rasgulla. I am the eater. What is eaten by me? Rasgulla. Rasgulla comes under what? Prameyam, object. The sweetness, the joy you are enjoying, getting experience. That is called knowledge. Pramata, Prameyam and Pramanam. Similarly, Jnata, Gneyam, Jnanam. All these are pairs you can write down if you want. Some three in a triad, not pair, triad. Pramata, Pramanam. Pramata, Pramanam, Prameyam. See, ella Pramata ki Prameyam theriyadum Pramana use pannanuma vendama. Enna puriyada madiri appadi paakran kitta. ரொம்ப simple lesson சொல்லிருக்கேன் நான். Pramata, I the subject, knowing the object. How I know? Either through the eyes I know, either through the touch I know, or through the sound I know. ஒரு பிரமாணம் யூஸ் பண்ணணுமா வேண்டாமா? மீன்ஸ் ஒரு மீன்ஸ் ஐ யூஸ் பண்ண அது பிரமாணம். இப்போ பிரமாதாக்கு பிரமேயம் தெரியணும்னா பிரமாணம் வேணுமா வேண்டாமா? ஒரு மீன்ஸ் வேணும். ஸோ I the pramata knows the prameyam through any pramanam in waking state. Clear? So the pramata, pramanam, prameyam. This is one triad. Another name also we can give. When I am seeing, when I am knowing, I am the pramata. When I am knowing, I am pramata. By seeing, I am knowing. Suppose I am the seer, seen, what? Knowledge. Drishyam, drashta. I am drashta, this is drishyam. Jnanam is taking place in the middle. So therefore, bhokta, bhogyam, bhogaha. Prameyam is called bhogyam. I am the bhokta, enjoyer. Bhogam is called that sukha, bhogam. Hearer, heard and ears. Pramana. Hearer. I am the hearer. You are hearer of what? Kaivalya Upanishad. You are hearer of Kaivalya Upanishad. Kaivalya Upanishad heard by you. You are hearer. What pramanam you are using? Ears. Eyes and solladungo. Through the ears you are knowing. So, hearer, heard and ears. So, hearer is called what? Pramata. Heard Kaivalya Upanishad is called what? Prameyam. Ear is called what? Pramanam. You are all intelligent. No? Seen is what? Object or Prameyam. All terms theriyano. Prameyam. So what Pramanam I have used here? Eyes. Rasgulla. Tongue is the Pramanam. I am the pramata, the taster. I have tasted that, taste. Then the rasgulla is what? Prameyam. Rasgulla meaning pogudadu manasu. Then that pramanam is what? Tongue. Suppose you get a fragrance from somewhere. I am the smeller. Smelled by me. What is that as smell? Fragrance is object. What is the pramanam? Nose. நாலாயிடுத்த இன்னொன்று விடக்கூடாது. Suppose you are feeling the fan காத்து, no? You are feeling sparsha, the toucher, the touched object. That sparsha. Sparsha indriyam pramanam. அது மாதிரி இப்படி அகம் பிரம்மாஸ்மி சொல்றதுக்கு என்ன பிரமாணம்? சாஸ்திரா இஸ் த பிரமாணம். அதுக்கு தான் அங்கே கொண்டு போகிறதுக்காக இவெல்லாம் சொல்லிட்டேன். ரசகுல்லா எல்லாம் மறந்துடுங்கோ. I want to take you to Shastra Pramanam to say Aham Brahma Asmi. I am conscious of. I am the knower of Brahma. No, ரசகுல்லா மாதிரி பிரம்மன் வெளியில் இல்லை. இங்கதான் டிஃபரன்ஸ். பிரம்மன் வந்து ரசகுல்லா மாதிரி வெளியில இல்லை, பிரம்மன் வந்து பாட்டு மாதிரி வெளியில இல்லை பார்க்கறதுக்கு. ஏன்னா பிரம்மன் இஸ் நாட் அன் ஆப்ஜெக்ட். என்ன அட்வான்டேஜோ பாருங்க. இந்த பஞ்ச இந்திரியங்களை கிட்ட பார்க்கும்போது ஆப்ஜெக்ட்ஸ் ஆர் ஆல் அவுட் சைடு. பட் வேற அகம் பிரம்மாஸ்மி, ஐ ஆம் த பிரமாதா சொல்லும் போது நானே பிரமாதாதான், நானே பிரமேயம் இல்லையோ, நானே சப்ஜெக்ட், நானே ஆப்ஜெக்ட். அது சின்ன குழந்தை அப்படி சொல்லுவான், நானே அம்மா, என்னோட அம்மா நானே தான், எல்லாமே நானே தான் சொல்லுது. அது மாதிரி இப்படி சொல்லணும் நம்ம. நானே தான் சப்ஜெக்ட், பிரமாதா பிரமேயமும் நானே தான், பாட்டையும் நானே, பாவமும் நானே, அப்படி சொல்லணும். So pramata is myself, prameyam is also myself. Pramanam is what? Shastra pramanam. Shabad, that is Shastra Shabda pramanam. Guru Vakyam. Guru Vakyam is the pramanam. So who is Guru? Guru is also Brahman. Therefore pramanam is also Brahman. So pramata, pramana, pramayam ellame Brahman da. In the Triputi moodume Brahman da. மூடு பிரம்மனா, ரெண்டு பிரம்மனா, ஒரு பிரம்மனா? த்ரிஷு தாமசு யத் போஜ்யம் போக்யம் போக்தா போகஹ. The sample he has given. So seer, seen, everything you have to supply. Knower, known, all these things, all the triad. Tebhyaha vilakshanaha ahamasmi. I am neither pramata nor the pramanam nor prameyam, anything separately. Really speaking, I am vilakshanaha anuvritta chaitanyam ahamasmi. I am inherent chaitanyam in these three experiences. See, I am the knower from the standpoint what? Known object. இப்போ நானே ஆப்ஜெக்ட் இருக்கும்போது எனக்கு பிரமாத்தா ஹுட் வேணுமா தேவையா? ஒரு சட்டில் பாயிண்ட் சொல்றேன். See, from the pot standpoint, I am the what? Pramata, seer. Seer Pramata. Since a pot is object, outside it is. Therefore, from the standpoint of the pot object, I am the seer of the pot. Okay. Since that Atma, myself, Brahman, is it necessary for me to maintain the pramata status? Because standpoint இல்லையே. கொஞ்சம் டஃப் தான், ஒரு விலங்காய் மாதிரி. ஏன்னா பிரமேயம் இப்படி வரைக்கும் யூ ஹவ் கம்மிங் அலாங் வித் மீ. இது கூட கொஞ்சம் பிடிச்சுக்கோங்க. பிரமேயம் வந்து வெளியில் இருக்கும்போது நான் பிரமாதா. பிரமேயம் வந்து ஆத்மா விஷயத்துல பிரமேயம் வெளியில் இல்லை, நானே தான். சப்ஜெக்ட் நானே தான், ஆப்ஜெக்ட் நானே தான். அப்போ அந்த சப்ஜெக்ட் ஹுட் தேவையா? ஆப்ஜெக்ட் வெளியில இல்லாத போது, நானே ஆத்மாவாக இருக்கும் போது, சப்ஜெக்ட் இஸ் ஆல்வேஸ் ரிலேட்டிவ் ஃப்ரம் த ஸ்டாண்ட் பாயிண்ட் ஆஃப் ஆப்ஜெக்ட். ஒன்ஸ் த ஆப்ஜெக்ட் ஆத்மா ஆப்ஜெக்ட் பிரமேயத்துவம் ஹஸ் டேக்கன் அவுட், பிரமாத்தா ஹுட் ஆல்சோ கான். பிகாஸ் பிரமேயம் இருந்தா தானே பிரமாதா, object irundadane subject. Since Atma is not standing as an object, therefore I am the subject, knower of Atma nu sollalama. Can you say I am the knower of Atma? If you say I am the knower of Atma, enna aidum? Atma will become object. That means Atma is different from you. You cannot say Aham Brahmasmi. Are you saying I am pot? You can never say I am pot. Are you saying I am Rasagulla? No, you never say. That means what? Since Atma cannot be Prameyam, object, since objecthood is not there, subjecthood is as good as not there. Pramata also is taken out. What a teaching now. What it is, I am praising. You have to praise. Tebhyaha vilakshanaha. I am neither the subject nor the object or the Triputi vilakshanaha aham. Bhokta bhogyam bhogaha vilakshanaha. Why? Witnesser. Witnesser is different from witnessed. So, chinmatraha. Then who am I? I am chinnu matraha. Chinnanna inda chinnu kediyadu. I am chit alone. Consciousness alone. So, each avastha has got three factors. And the three factors Pramata Prameyam Pramanam will be there. As long as three avasthas are there, Pramata Prameyam Pramanam will be there. Yes, as long as three avasthas are there, Jagrata avasthala Pramanam Prameyam irukka illaya? Swapnathula irukka illaya? Irukka illaya? Irukku. Sushupti avasthala potential irukka illaya? Pramanam, Prameyam, Pramata also there, but it cannot express. Potentially there. Avyakta avasthala irukku. Appo indha moodu avasthalo triputi undu. Ippudu indha moodu avasthana paakkravan naan. Paarpavan moodu avasthakku sambandham kediyadu. Appo indha moodu avastha moolama vandu irukra pramata, pramanam, prameyam adukku moodittukku naan vilakshanama illaya? Yes, sollaliye shaddama sollaliye. See, previous mantra, 17th mantra, Jagrata avastha, Sushupti avastha, Swapna avastha, witnessed by me, you said. Okay? I am Vilakshana. Because witnesser is not in any avastha. Is it not? Since I am different, because you are knowing the Jagrata avastha now. So you are knower of the Jagrata avastha. Knower is different from the known. You are the knower of dream avastha. So knower of the dream is different from the known. Knower of the sleep is also different from the known. Because it is different. Now all these three avasthas known by me, the consciousness, and the mood avasthala irukra triputi, subject to object pramanam, subject to object pramanam, subject to object pramanam, and the mood nanu avasthaki vilakshanama irukumbodhu, and the avasthaki sambandhamana subject to object instrument ke vilakshanama illaya? Adudha. Yat bhokta bhavet, yat bhogyam bhavet, yat bhogaha trishu dhamasu aham sakshi. I am the witnesser. Sakshi means here like a camera. Camera is different from the photograph, that photo or not? Can you see the camera from the photo, in the photo? Camera illen solla mudiyuma? In the photograph irukradhukku camera is the proof. So in the mood avastha irukku eppudu theriyum? I am the witnesser. Sakshi aham asmi. As what? Chinmatra. I am conscious of. I am conscious of. I am conscious of. Chit means what? Consciousness. Chinmatraha means turiyam, which is the pure consciousness. Matra means what? Pure. Shuddha chaitanyam. Shuddha chaitanyam enna ardham? Ashuddha chaitanyam enna irukka? Shuddha chaitanyam enna, once you intellectually disidentify with this body-mind complex, that is Shuddha chaitanya. Once you are associating with the body-mind complex as wife, husband, daughter, son, idellame enna chaitanya? Ashuddha chaitanya, as though. Okay, chaitanya will never become ashuddham, as though. But as a witnesser, I am Chinmatra. Then what? Sada Shivaha. Always auspicious. Chinmatra, pure consciousness, is always Mangalam, which is ever auspicious. That's why Pavitranam Pavitram yo Mangalanam cha Mangalam. Yaar? Vaikunthathula irukra Vishnuva. Ada pavitranam pavitram yonna atma chaitanyam ityartha. So whenever the body is sick, what do we say? Body is sick. I am sick, we say. இப்போ சொல்லுங்க, I am sick என்ன சொல்லலாமா? அப்படி என்ன சொல்லணும்? Before coming to Kaivalya Upanishad, you can say I am sick. இப்போ என்ன சொல்லணும்? I am consciousness, my body is sick. I am consciousness, my mind is sad. Previously, I am sad, we used to say. I am sad. RC is sad. RM is sick. RM sick, RC sadness. OC க்கு கம்பைன் பண்ற என்னமா பண்றேன்னு பாருங்க. அப்படி பண்ணலாமா? அப்படி சொல்லலாமா? நியாயமா? இது தகுமா? முறையான பாடல இருக்க. வேதாந்தா is asking, Brahmaji asking, இது நியாயமா? இப்படி பண்ணலாமா? இப்படி சொல்லலாமா? நீ ஓசியா இருந்து ஆர்சி ஆரம் போய் நீ அந்த சிக்னஸ் நீ எடுத்துக்கிறியே. சிக்னஸ் வந்துதான் ஆகும், ஓல்டேஜ் வந்துதான் ஆகும். யாருக்குன்னா உடம்புக்கு, மனசுக்கு துக்கம் வந்துதான் ஆகும். ஏன்னா தட் 3 குணங்கள் இருக்கு இல்லையோ, குழப்பம் பண்ணிட்டே இருக்கும். அதனால வந்து போகட்டுமே. நான் யாருன்னா ஸ்டாண்டிங் அபார்ட், சாட்சி, விட்னஸர். இப்படி தைரியமா இருக்க வேண்டியது நம்ம. எப்படி lion மாதிரி ஜகர்ஜான், you roar like anything. I am the witnesser of body mind complex. The body is coming, having problems, let me see that. Nothing will touch me. That's why chinmatraha sadashivaha. Now I am auspicious or not? Talavalli muttivalli yarukappanna dukkam, இது எல்லாம் கில்ட் ஹர்ட் யாருக்கு? எந்த கோஷம்? ஆர்சிக்கா ஆரம்பிக்க? ஆர்சி ஆரம்பிக்கு ப்ராப்ளம். ஐதி கான்ஷியஸ்னஸ் மங்கள ஸ்வரூபம். மங்களம் எப்பவுமே. சேட்னஸும் கிடையாது, சிக்னஸும் கிடையாது. சிக்னஸ் சேட்னஸ் எல்லாம் பார்த்துன்னு இருக்கிற மங்கள சதாசிவ அகம். 19 மய்யேவ சகலம் ஜாதம் மயி சர்வம் பிரதிஷ்டிதம் மயி சர்வம் லயம் யாதி தத் பிரம்மாத்வயமஸ்ம்யஹம் தத் பிரம்மாத்வயமஸ்ம்யஹம். $1 billion worth mantra. $1 billion. You are the crorepati if you know this mantra and assimilate it. Very, very important mantra. Stuti. This is called Stuti. Glorification of my own Swarupam. See, that Gurudam, I am a Guru, teacher. As long as Sishya is there in front. Sishya is not there. Can I carry my Gurudam? I am a Guru, I am a Guru. As long as Sishya is there in front of me, I am Guru. As long as I am there in front of you, you are Sishya. If I am not there in front of you, you are neither Sishya. I am not a Guru. Therefore, I am Turiya Atma. Therefore, what is final conclusion? Upanishad says, Brahmaji is telling, since Brahman is defined as Prapancha Karanam, very important. Since Brahman is defined as a Prapancha Karanam, Jagat Karanam Brahma. First statement, first stage of understanding. Jagat Karanam Brahma. Brahman தான் இந்த உலகத்துக்கு எல்லாமே காரணம் சொல்லிட்டோம். நல்லா இருக்கு. Brahman is the Jagat Karanam. That means what? Since I am Brahman, fill in the blanks. I am the Jagat Karanam. Which I? Appa. OCI. RCI, RMI cannot be a Jagat Karanam. Even you cannot do Sambar Rasam also properly. But as a consciousness, Mayi eva sarvam jatam. Because of me, the consciousness, everything emerges out. Claim pannalama illaya? If I say I am the creator of this universe as body-mind complex, this is arrogance. If I say I am the consciousness, Satchit principle, I am the creator of this universe and chunna, it is the fact, 100% fact. There is no doubt in that. Why? A is equal to B, B is equal to C, therefore A is equal to C. Tadabhinnam, tadabhinnam, tadabhinna bhinnam. I'll explain you. Tadabhinnam. Now you see, tasmadva etasmad atmana akasha sambhutaha akashadvayuh vayoragnihi agnirapah adbhyah prithvi panchabhutas are born from that Paramatma Brahman. This Panchabhutam, Nama, Rupa alone, they are not real. Vacharambhanam vikaro namadeyam. What is Satyam? Brahman alone is Satyam. Therefore, this Nama Rupa is only given different name to that Brahman. Okay? Brahman is Jagat Karanam. Jagat is nothing but Panchabhutams. Now come to, that is first. What is Brahman is Jagat Karanam? First lesson. Second lesson, this world, Jagat, is nothing but modifications, manifestation of 5 elements. This body is also manifestation of 5 elements. I am born out of 5 elements. This body, mind complex, RM, RC, born out of 5 elements. So, Brahman is A. A is equal to B. See, Jagat Karanam Brahma. World is Jagat, Karyam. Karyam is non-different from Karanam Brahma. Effect can never be different from the cause. So therefore, Brahman and Jagat are non-different. Abhinnam. Tat abhinnam Jagat. Tad abhinnam. First tad abhinnam. A is equal to B is called tad abhinnam. Panchabhutas are non-different from Brahman. They are inert matter, but in that whole Jagat Chaitanya Vandi Brahman da. Sat principle. This is number 2 lesson. What? Jagat Karanam Brahma, first lesson. This Karanam Brahma, Karyam Jagat is non-different. Tad abhinnam. Tad Brahma abhinnam Jagat. Since this body-mind complex also made up of 5 elements, this name and form is also Vacharambhanam. What is the essence in this consciousness? In the body, name and form also different name given to Atma Chaitanyam, which is available in the heart. Aham Atma Swarupam. Aduk in the Vadambaki per kuduthirukkom. Autobiography of this body, mind complex, made up of what? 5 elements. இது வந்து இந்த உடம்பு வந்து அந்த 5 எலிமெண்ட்ஸ்க்கு அபின்னமா இல்லையா? நான் டிஃபரெண்டா இல்லையா? This is non-different, non-separate from the 5 elements. So 5 elements, இது பஞ்சபூத உடல். Panchabhuta udal is non-different from this Jagat, which is made up of 5 elements. So Jagat ki abhinnam in the shariram. So tad abhinnam. Clear? Tad abhinnam Jagat. Brahma ka abhinnam Jagat. Abhinnam na non-different. Difference kadiyadu anartham. Tad abhinnam. இந்த பிரபஞ்சத்திலிருந்து இந்த உடம்பு தான் வந்தது, பஞ்சபூதங்கள் வந்து. ஸோ இந்த பஞ்சபூதங்கள் இது நான் டிஃபரெண்ட். இது வந்து ததபின்னம். A is equal to B, B is equal to C. Cக்கு வந்துட்டோமோ, therefore அங்கிருந்து இங்க வரைக்கும் பிரம்மம் வந்தாச்சு. பிரம்மன் இந்த உடம்புக்கு வந்தாச்சு. இவர் பேர் ஆத்மா. இந்த உடம்புக்கு பேர் என்ன? லக்ஷ்மி, புவனேஸ்வரி, பத்மா, பார்வதி, சிவா, ஏதோ பேர் எல்லாம் வச்சிருக்கோம் இல்லையா? யாருக்கு இந்த பேர் எல்லாமே நிஜமா? பிரம்மனுக்கு தான், ஓசிக்கு தான் பேர். ஸோ திஸ் ததபின்னம், இந்த வேர்ல்டு ததபின்னம். A is equal to B, B is equal to C, C, therefore A is equal to tadabhinna bhinnam. Tadabhinnam, tadabhinnam, tadabhinna bhinnam. A is equal to B, B is equal to C, therefore A is equal to C. Purinja sari, priyatalan, listen further. My eva sakalam jatam. From me alone everything emerges out. I am the satta spurti pradata. I am the giver of satta, existence. Satta, spurti. Spurti means what? The chit also I am only giving. Chit also. Sun is, moon is, tree is, mic is, satta pradata ahamasmi. Then what chit? Spurti. Spurti is I know the ocean is. I know trees. I know my keys. I am conscious of my keys. I am conscious of ocean is. That chit. Satta spurti pradata. So I am the creator. Therefore, mayeva sakalam jatam. Then when I go to sleep, the ocean ella enge merja irukku. And the satta spurti, they're like spider madri. Yathornana visrujate grannate cha. So the spider creates the web from it and it takes it the web inside. Similarly, the Jagradavasthayam, the consciousness, Sat principle, give existence to the whole creations. Asti, 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 irupudal. Teriyum, satta spurti. Sakalam jatam, mai sarvam pratishtitam. Because of me only everything is existing. When I go to sleep, mai sarvam layam yati. I go to sleep means what? When this body, mind goes to sleep, where it merges? Into me, the consciousness. When I wake up again, next day, Punascha janmantara karma yogat sayeva jivaha. Nete tungina nanada ipo edunirke. Sayeva jivaha swapiti prabuddha. Enge paathom? Ingeda previous few verses before, 16th verse you see. 16th or 14th? 14th verse. Punascha janmantara karma yogat sayeva jivaha swapiti prabuddha. இப்படி இருக்க படிச்சுட்டு இருக்கோம் சுவாமினி 15 நாளுக்கு ஒரு கிளாஸ் என்னதான் ஞாபகம் இருக்கும் அதுதான் அஹமஸ்மி so everything is born in me alone, everything is based on me, I am the substratum, everything resolves into me alone, I am that non-dual advayam, non-dual ahamasmi tasmat, therefore because of this reason I am that. Now pot is sustained by what? Clay. Pot is born out of what? Pot, if you break the pot, pot goes where? Into clay. Pot cannot exist without clay. It is born out of clay, sustained out of clay, by clay, and merges into clay. Therefore, the whole Jagat, included this body-mind complex, born out of Brahman, sustained because of Brahman, merges into Brahman. Who is that Brahman? I am. The whole world is born out of me. Which me? Osi. Sustained because of me? Osi. Merge into me, the Osi. Idella Nama Rupa Jagat. Anuraniyan ahameva tadvat. Mahanaham vishwamaham vichitram. Puratanoham purushohamishah. Hiranmayoham shivarupamasmi. This mantra, 19th mantra, every day you can meditate upon that, contemplate again. This is also Mahavakya mantra. Advayam Brahma Ahamasmi, having said that, I am the non-dual Brahman. Here Brahmaji says, Aham Aniyan Anoho. I am subtler than subtle. Subtler than subtle. That means what? You cannot see with your eyes, you cannot touch it. What you cannot see with your eyes, what you cannot touch, what you cannot comprehend with this ordinary mind is called subtler than subtle. Sukshmat Sukshma is called Anoho Aniyan. Bhajanella paadra nariya peru. Anoraniyan. Namaye paadam Guru Mahiyan. The Guru paatla kuda varade. There are songs that to understand. Paata paadalam. புரிஞ்சுக்கிறதுக்கு ஒம்பாடு புரிய மாட்டேங்கிறது சுவாமி. சச்சிதானந்த குரு சச்சிதானந்த పాడి ఏ గురు యు ఆర్ ಸೆಟ್ಲರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಟಿಲ್ ಅಣೋಹೋ ಅಣಿ అని சொல்லி குரு அணுவா குரு தான் அவர் அணு இல்லை பட் ஆத்மா இஸ் சட்டர் தேன் சட்டில் தத்வத் லைக் தட் அஹம் மகான் ஏவ நாட் ஓன்லி சட்டில் ஈவன் ஐ am பிருஹத் I am mahan. Now tell Brahma is small or bigger? I am smaller than smallest. I am bigger than biggest. What is smaller than smallest? Atom. I am smaller than atom. Bigger than biggest. Big mountain. Bigger than biggest. Nothing can stand in front of me. Therefore, aham mahan eva. Aham vichitram. I am this manifold universe. Vishwam. The beauty of me. I am in that body, in that body. I am so. All the glories of the all people are because of consciousness. So your beauty is also my beauty. Your glory is also my glory. Everything is vichitram. Multifold, manifold, multifarious beauties, flowers, fruits, nature, gold medals, Padma Shri, Vibhushan, everything. Whose glory? My glory. Where is the place for jealousy? பொறாமைக்கு இடம் எங்க இருக்குப்பா? ஆனாலும் வந்துட்டு இருக்க சுவாமினி ஏன்னா ஆர்எம்ல ஆர்சி மாட்டின்னு இருக்கும் அதுதான் வந்துடும். So come out of RC RM, you can say everything is, the glory is belong to me only. Vishwam aham puratanaha, I am the ancient one. Aham purushaha, all pervasive one. Ishaha, the ruler of everything. Aham hiranmayaha, I am the effulgent. Asmi shivarupam, I am very auspicious. See how great Shastra. Great in the sense, I am everything. This, whatever I am seeing, the glory in this creation, beauty, wonder, everything, it's my own manifestation appearing in different forms. That's why Jnani is always cheerful, peaceful, joy, bloom, no problem at all. Where is problem? RM, RC is the problem. I am the witnesser of problem. Witnesser of the problem is not having problem. Therefore, I am free from problem. Where is problem? Problem is a misnomer. It is a wrong concept. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.